Kita beralih ke sorotan lainnya. PSSI resmi memperkenalkan John Herdman sebagai pelatih timnas Indonesia menggantikan Patrick Kluivert. Herdman menegaskan misi utamanya adalah membawa Indonesia lolos ke Piala Dunia 2030. Herdman menyebut sangat termotivasi untuk membawa sepak bola Indonesia lebih maju. Ia menyatakan bukan hanya melatih, dia juga ingin memahami secara menyeluruh soal budaya masyarakat dan seluruh potensi sepak bola Indonesia. Herdman bilang Indonesia sudah siap melangkah ke level selanjutnya karena Indonesia memiliki 280 juta penduduk yang sebagian besar mencintai sepak bola. Ia pun ingin membawa Indonesia ke level selanjutnya, yaitu Piala Dunia. Herdman pernah membawa Kanada lolos ke Piala Dunia 2022. Ia ingin mengulang itu bersama Indonesia dan itu yang menjadi motivasinya setiap hari.
And I want to be here when this country takes that step. I was there in Canada when we took our step. For the women and the men, I want to be here. This is one of the most exciting opportunities in world football. It's not about ranking. It's not about these teams had better players or you could do this at this World Cup. There is a big opportunity here in Indonesia to go somewhere no group of men or fans have been before, and that's to a FIFA World Cup. That's the mission. Every day I wake up, every day I get out of bed, everything I'll be thinking about, other than my family, will be qualifying this team for a World Cup, putting the steps in place.
Pelatih baru timnas Indonesia John Herdman menyebut telah menghubungi 60 pemain untuk mendapatkan perspektif soal kualifikasi Piala Dunia lalu. John Herdman menyebut dia akan mempelajari kegagalan timnas justru untuk memperbaikinya. Karena itu tahap pertama yang ia lakukan adalah mendengar dari seluruh pemangku kepentingan sepak bola, membuat rencana baru untuk melakukan aksi.
I've already started communicating with the captain and some of the key leaders. I've contacted over 60 players to let them know that I'm here, I'm watching. And then it's building that team around the team, Dr. Milan, etc., who will support a raise in standards and bring the qualification habit that Indonesia has been missing. So the work over the last 15, 20 years of my experience has been qualifying teams for Olympic, World Cups. It's about seeing what's missing in that habit and building it. So short term, listen, understand, but get to action.
Pelatih timnas John Herdman menyebut sedang dalam proses merekrut asisten pelatih untuk bersamanya menangani timnas Indonesia. Ia bilang akan berusaha melibatkan banyak orang lokal dalam tim kepelatihan seperti yang dilakukannya ketika menangani timnas Kanada.
The assistant coaches, that'll be a process over the next 2 to 3 weeks. We'll be making some appointments there. I can't say too much at this moment in time, but that process is underway. The local staff, the analysts, some of the sports science, etc. We will commit our time in Canada with Dr. Milan. Our goal was to leave legacy, to ensure that we, as best we could, used as many local people to give them the experience, because that's important. That's the legacy. When you leave this country, hopefully not too soon, maybe I can live here forever, who knows, but